If you're like me, you listen to a lot of things on your Speechify library, and it can get a little cluttered at times. For this reason, we added folders. So, for example, if I want to make a folder of these 3 articles that I need to listen to for a class, I can long press on this article, and I can pick this one and this one as well, and this one too, and I'll make a new folder. To do that, I'm going to scroll all the way down, create new folder. I'm going to call it econ, and I'll click create. So now all these files are in the same folder. One cool thing about it is that now that it's in a folder, the articles can autoplay. So if I click play all, it'll start by playing the first article and the second, third, fourth, however I like it to work. This is a really useful feature if you want to listen to a lot of articles in the car without having to go back into the app to reset what you're reading. If I want to reorganize them, I can click organize by A to Z or by the time they were created. If I want to remove something from a folder, if I want to just delete it from the entire app, I could just swipe left and click delete. If I want to move it to a new folder, I just long press, click the folder that I want to send to, and I'll put it back in the main library, and there it is. And that's how to use folders within Speechify to organize your readings.